Hi, hi everyone. Today we are going to see how to install Windows 10 in VMware Workstation. So first you open VMware Workstation, and I suppose that you have already downloaded an ISO file of Windows 10. So here I'm going to choose the location of my Windows 10 ISO file and click on next, and you name your virtual machine, and you choose the location where you want to store it. Select next, and now you choose the size of your virtual machine. So for me, I'm going to choose just 20 gigabytes and click on finish. And now we should power the virtual machine and start the installation process. So first you have to select the language. I have here just French, so I'm going to select French. And the layout of your keyboard, I'm going to choose esxi because I have an esxi keyboard. Click on next, and if you have an activation key, you can put it here. If you don't, you can just click on I don't have an activation key, and here you select the type of Windows you want to install, and here you create a new disk space and start the installation process. So as I said, this should take from 10 to 15 minutes. So the virtual machine will restart, and now so Cortana will just want to assist you. So I'm going to mute Cortana. You can follow the instructions using Cortana. So these are just some configurations. You select your language, your location, keyboard, layout. I'm just going to ignore this for now. So the virtual machine will restart again. And now we should add more things. Create an account. Just going to use my free learning Gmail account and type password. And select the region, your birthday, and you add a PIN code. So if you want to log in using PIN code instead of your password, the PIN code is usually 4 numbers, and you have to accept these things. And click here we add your phone number, or just skip this. And after some minutes, there you have your Windows 10 virtual machine installed, and you can use it for anything you want. So thank you for watching, and see you next.